Welcome to the session. Can you hear me? Can you see me? Can I get a yes? Hello. Okay, great. Okay, awesome. Can you please write down the name of the children here in the comments? Hi, Kavita. Oh, hi, Shruti. Great. Also mention the ages if possible. That will be great. Let's do like 2 more minutes. Let's see if more children are joining and then we'll start. Any kids have joined? Oh, hi Gia. Nice to have you. Oh, hi Shanaya. Oh, wow, you're 9. That's awesome. Hi Shrishti. Dhwani. Hi Dhwani. So nice to have you. Okay, so today, since tomorrow is Father's Day, we wanted to do something special for him, and we'll make a cake for which we don't require any oven, we don't require eggs, and ooh, you're 11, that's awesome. So we require no oven, no fire and no eggs, and it's super easy and it's very yummy. So I made one yesterday and I gobbled it all up. It was very tasty, okay? Tisha and Saisha, oh, you'll be making 2 separate cakes, that's awesome. So we'll be showing one chocolate one, so one of you can make that. I also have an idea for a mango one, so one of you can make a yellow one. Yes, we are making a no fire cake. Okay, let's start. So my name is Shruti and I run my own early education startup that goes by the name Novi Nest. And I love interacting with children, and I haven't done this activity before, but I'm super excited to do it. Okay. Oops, sorry, that's my pet dog. Alright, let's start. So do we have all the materials? Biscuits. Oh, Saisha and Tisha. Oh, you are big girls. You're 6 and 8. That's awesome. That's really good. Okay, awesome. So I hope you guys know about Toying. So they are a toy company and they are putting a lot of efforts on making these creative sessions for children, and they do new activities every day. Oh, hi Radhika, good to have you. We just started. Yes. So if you don't have any particular materials, or if you know some of that is not available, please feel free to like comment here. We do have replacement options for all of these. Okay, that's super awesome. You have compound chocolate slab. That's okay. That's super awesome. Hi Naisa, good to have you. How have you been? Hi Parul. Okay, so everybody has some coffee. Let's start. Do you have some coffee? Mari biscuits is fine. Kahan and Shiva, awesome. Yes, I'm super excited too. Oh, you don't have biscuits of any kind? Fresh cream, it's fine. Get me any form of say either chocolate syrup, or if you have cocoa butter, peanut butter, any of these work fine. If you don't have biscuits, any form of cookies, or anything. Even those sweet shakarpare are fine. Okay, let's start. We'll start by taking a little bit of water. Just pour a little bit of water in a flat dish, right? I've taken about like less than half a cup. Will it be for this year? I did not get your question. You can use ice cream, yes. Don't take it out now. I'll keep this in mind and I'll let you know when you can use ice cream. Marie biscuits, just keep the biscuits in hand. As we progress, you can see how big you want the cake to be and accordingly we can take. But one packet is more than enough. Just keep it with you. Alright. Now, in the water, we'll take about 2 teaspoons of coffee powder. Okay? Not a lot. We'll make it bitter. Hi. You don't have fresh cream, that's okay. If you have, say, chocolate syrup, or if you have Nutella or peanut butter, any of these will be fine. Hi Mrinalini, oh you're 5, good to have you. Now we just mix the water and coffee, okay? Can you see? Let me bring this closer. Yeah. So this coffee water, we'll use it to dip the biscuits, okay? Does daddy like coffee? How many of you have daddies who like coffee? I'm using the good old Parle-G here. Take a nice dish, a small one will be fine. And now what we do is, we take the biscuit, we just slightly dip it in this coffee water. Like very slightly, and then we place it neatly on the plate. Alright? Now we take the next biscuit and again just slightly dip it in water, the coffee water, and place it alongside the previous one. Okay? We will not be able to move it later, so just keep the shape in mind. If you have round biscuits, you can make a flower that will look really pretty. So one biscuit in the middle, a round one, and then on the sides. Say about 6 or 7, I guess. With these rectangle ones, I'll be making a rectangle cake. Okay? Again, taking the biscuit, dipping it in coffee water slightly and placing it here. Taking the next one and dipping it in coffee water and placing it here. Oh, Mrinalini, your daddy loves coffee too? This is awesome. For those who have cream, please mix cocoa powder and cream together. For those who do not have it, get me like a chocolate spread of some sorts. I'm using Nutella. So I've made like one layer of biscuits, right? So as soon as one layer is done, we'll start with the next layer, okay? Which is some sort of spread. Fresh cream, unfortunately. Okay. How about alright, just give me a second, I'll adjust my camera. Oh, your daddy loves coffee too. Yeah, hope this is better. Awesome. So see, one layer is done. Has everybody done one layer? I'll go to the next step. Have you guys completed one layer? Show me a thumbs up. Okay, I got one. Oh, so many. Awesome. Great, great. Now layer number 2. I'm taking some Nutella and spreading it on the biscuits. A very, very thin layer is enough, okay? Let's not put a lot of it, okay? It will not be very tasty. Can you see? Okay. Next layer again. We'll take another biscuit, dip it in coffee water and place it right above this. We want a nice neat stack, okay? Done. How many of you are done with the second layer? Don't worry if the plate gets dirty, we'll clean it all later. Give me a thumbs up. How many of you are done with the second layer? Layer number 2. So whatever material you are using for the middle layers, oh, you are done. Thank you. Make sure it has a paste-like consistency, right? So in this one, I put in a lot of malai or fresh cream, and see, it's too runny. This is not okay, right? So use less of malai. It should be slightly thick but not runny, okay? So layer number 2 done, and now again we'll spread, spread, spread. Okay, layer number 2 done. Now again You take some biscuit, dip it there, and put it above this. Don't worry about the sides for now, okay? Let's concentrate on just stacking them up, one above the other. There was somebody who had ice cream, right? Now would be a good time. So you know the size of your cake, right? I need an ice cream slice that is as big as that and just freeze it separately. So just cut whatever, ice tub or the brick that you have, cut it in the size of that cake and put it in the freezer. We'll use it as this chocolate layer. You can put in that ice cream, but it has to be like very tight freezing solid. All right. Okay, next layer again. How many layers are we at now? Can you just mention, please? I'll put in 2 more layers. On the last layer that you put on the top, don't put any chocolate spread, okay? We need some decorations. So I'm doing my last layer right now. Okay, awesome. So for decoration, I have dairy milk and I have some of these sprinkling balls. So if you have a chocolate with you, don't remove it from the packet. Just warm some water and dip it in it. We want this to be nice and melty, okay? Take mama's help, please don't switch on the gas stove yourself. Give me 2 seconds, I'll just wash my hands in. Okay, so I'll take some water. The water is getting warm right now. We'll wait out a bit. Okay. I hope I'm not going too fast. Okay. Meanwhile, also think about what message would you want to write for daddy on the cake, okay? through the sides. Awesome. Now just quickly put in whatever decorations you have. Gems or something colorful or something contrasting with brown works really well. If you don't have anything and if there are some fruits at your place, feel free to add them. Take mama's help for cutting, okay? We put this in the freezer for like a quick 5 minutes, okay? I would love to see pictures of what you have made. Alright. Have you put that in the freezer? It doesn't need a lot of time in the freezer. It's more for just the melted chocolate to just set in. Alright, if you have done that, we'll start making the message. So I've asked it for a ice cream stick and a piece of paper. Anything works fine. And I hope you have also thought about what message you want to put on the cake. Alright. If you don't have an ice cream stick, toothpick works, or any clean piece of, I would say, any clean piece of plastic. Say a straw also works very well. So I'm just writing Happy Father's Day. I've used a foam sheet here, but any piece of paper works fine. Just glue it to the stick. Says Happy Father's Day. Now, just put it on the stick. Just quickly wash my hands. Let's check on the cake once. Looks like it will take some more time. It shouldn't become really hard, but we want it to, we want the decoration and the colorful balls to just set in, okay? No harm in checking your freezer if it's done or not, alright? Let me know in the comments if you think your cake is already done. let it stick properly. You can use sellotape also. Also, when so tomorrow is Father's Day, and if you want to give daddy this cake tomorrow, put it in the fridge, not in the freezer. Alright, and you can remove it, say 20 minutes to 30 minutes before you serve it. Otherwise you can have it today itself. For how many daddies will this be a surprise, or do we have some dads here who are actually helping with the cake right now? Because that will be also really sweet. Let's do a quick check once more, alright? Done. What shall we do now? The weight is killing me. Somebody had a block of chocolate. With that, you will have to add a little bit of sugar and a little bit of milk if you think it's not sweet or runny enough before you melt it. But that will give you a really nice finish on the top. So better than what I am doing. Has everybody done this? Has everybody made the tag on the top? This is really important. It's for daddy, right? How will daddy know it's for him if we don't put this? It is also important to clean the kitchen. So once you are done, and if you are waiting like me for the cake to set in the refrigerator, just clean up the counter, okay? Let's not give mama a hard time cleaning also. We have such helpful kiddos here. I love it. This will all go in the trash. Hi Divyanshi. Oh, your dad likes coffee also? Great. I hope you did not miss. Anybody here who would like a quick recap in case you missed something? My dog is barking because I am dealing with biscuits and the dog really loves biscuits. After the layer of biscuits, we did, so on the top layer we don't put any chocolate of any kind. We do the decoration. So I put in some melted chocolate and some chocolate syrup, and I also put in some colorful sugar balls like these. I hope you can see it. So I put in some of these. Gems look really good, and you can also put in any other chocolate that you have. Milk cream, you don't have cream and chocolate syrup. Any chocolate is fine. So or you can do a fruit cake. In case you don't have chocolate syrup, instead of a chocolate cake you can do a fruit cake. The Amul Tetra Pak cream, as in not whipped cream, and the regular malai that we have at home did not give me very good results, so it became runny. So the cake was not looking very pretty, but it was tasty, so we can still do that. Okay, I think I'm reading the messages late. I'm so sorry. This is embarrassing. Okay, Gunjan, sorry, I'll quickly just recap. So we started with a plate and we have to make alternate layers of biscuit and say cocoa cream or fruit cream, anything that you like. And we dipped the biscuits in coffee water. So we took 2 spoons of coffee, mixed it in a little bit of water and just quickly just dip them and then place it on the layer. They'll get really soggy if you dip it more. So that is what we have done. We have made alternate layers, and then on the top I have just poured in some chocolate syrup, and I have put in some decorative gems and sugar balls. Yes, that was instant coffee powder. Oh, your cake is ready so fast. Yes. So I was actually looking for whipping cream myself. I had a little bit for my trial run, and I was out of whipping cream, and by then you guys had already gotten the message. I'm so sorry. This lockdown is affecting us in different ways, but I didn't have whipping cream. But with whipping cream, the layers are super light and fluffy, and it tastes super amazing. What we did with Nutella, if you do it with whipping cream, it will be even better. Oh, it will taste good, don't worry. Oh, let me check once more if it is okay or not. Mine is still not done. I think I've put in. Yes, it's still in the freezer. No Nutella, it's fine. Use cream. Just don't use a lot of malai. Oh, you want the recipe? So we took biscuits. We made some coffee water. So this is 2 spoons of coffee in say about a half a cup of water. Put it in a flat dish. Just mix it. And then you take the biscuit. You just slightly dip it in the coffee water like this. And then you place it. So you make one layer like this. Then I use Nutella. You use a Nutella layer, or you can use cream plus cocoa powder, cream plus essence plus chocolate, whatever you have. So we make alternate layers like this. A small one depending on the shape of the biscuit you have. So whether that is rectangle or circle. We do alternate layers, and on the top we do a decoration. So we use either molten chocolate, or we use gems or any kind of other chocolate that you have, again depending on what shape of the chocolate is. You want to see the cake? I can just get it out for a bit. Let me see. Can you see this? It's still a bit wet. See, I can still touch it, but it's better than how we kept it before. Can you see this? Can you notice the layers? If you look closely, you can actually see the layers, right? So 1, I did about 6 layers here of Parle-G biscuits. So I use Parle-G, and these are 4 biscuits that I've kept like this. If you have round biscuits, say something like Marie or McVitie's, you can make a flower. Say one circle will come in the middle and then 6 or 7 around the edges, right? It looks really pretty. Nafisa and Sneha, I hope you got it. So I just quickly recapped it. I hope you got it. Any biscuit that you have works. I have used Parle-G because that is what I had. But any biscuit works fine. Depends on the dad's taste. So if he is not much of a sweet tooth, say I would suggest something like a digestive biscuit for that matter. That also tastes super great, by the way. I didn't use whipped cream because I couldn't find whipped cream, but whipped cream on the middle of the layers looks really good. Also, if you have the piping cones, you can decorate it like really well. I'm so sorry about the whipped cream. I'm sure everybody arranged it. I couldn't arrange it, so I didn't use it. It's super cute and easy, alright? Somebody asked if Oreo is okay. Oreo has cream in it, so a lot of these cream biscuits are like super sugary. So I'm not sure how the dads will. It just gets super sweet. It again, the shape and all that comes out really well. It's only that cream biscuits will give a very like a sweetish kind of taste. Awesome. So once this is ready, just put it here and poke the cake like this. So biscuit was one layer. There is no replacement for a biscuit. So you can use different varieties and different brands of biscuit. Whipped cream is the second layer. So instead of whipped cream, I use Nutella today. You can use whipped cream with sugar, with cocoa powder essence. You can use, say if you have vanilla or chocolate essence, that tastes really good. Just a drop of it. And just whip it really fast. It makes it really nice and fluffy. So my layers are not that separated. It's a really flat cake. If you use whipped cream, you get this really nice, a thick high cake. Whipped cream actually has more benefits than say something like Nutella, but this is again super easy and I am sure kids can manage. I'm putting this back in the refrigerator. So till what time will it be? I'm almost done. Just closing it. If anybody of you wants me to like really cut it and to see the insides, I can do that. I really don't mind. If you want to see how it looks from the inside. Oh, thank you so much. I had equally good fun. If you want to leave the session, you can do it now. That's perfectly okay. I'm just waiting for the cake to set a bit more before I cut it and show it to you guys. I had somebody who was wanting to know about fruit cake, right? So there, instead of chocolate, you can use whipped cream. You can mix, if you have food color, you can mix yellow food color and some thin slices of mangoes in the middle. Okay, I have one slice of mango. I'm planning to decorate this on the top. So just take like a big slice and scoop the pulp. quickly wash my hands and come. Okay, so now I'm doing, just check on the cake, when will it be ready? It's almost ready. I can cut it and show it to you. Can you see it? Oh, I love the layers. Can you see it from up close? Can you see this? It's not too soft and not too hard. I'm liking it. But if you wanted to retain its shape for longer, I think refrigerate it for a bit longer. I'm putting this back again. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Alright. I would love to see your cakes too, and also please put in a message saying how did dads like it. Alright. And do follow this page, Toying on Facebook and Instagram. You will get notifications of the different activities that are coming up. The same way you would have known about this particular activity. Yeah. Alright. Any questions? Any final thoughts? If you want me to eat it, I can eat that too. Oh, Amita, thank you. Thank you for joining, guys. I hope the cake is ready. Any mess ups, any final questions, I'm ready to take it right now. I have also done some goof ups, it's okay. But this cake has all yummy ingredients, so it really tastes very, very yummy. For the health conscious dads, you can use digestive biscuits, and for the middle layer, you can use peanut butter. So, and for decorating that cake, you can use slices of apple. So, apple and peanut butter taste really good together. Okay, looks like everybody has done their cake. How much time will it be? I did not get your question. How much time will it be? Because achha, you want the cake for tomorrow. I guess for making the cake, just keep half an hour. But for setting, keep like, slightly more than half an hour. And right now I have not put it in the freezer. I have put it in the refrigerator. Oh yes, it's easy and yummy looking. I remember making this as a kid too. If any one of you has actually tasted it right now, let me know how did it taste. Do put in pictures please guys on the post. Oh, thank you Manpreet. I hope you had a bite of it. Oh, right, let me eat the cake. It's really yummy. What the coffee is doing is it is cutting the sweet a bit. Oh, I love you too. Thank you so much. It isn't that sweet. It's nice. I like it. Let me know how you guys like it. Alright. Bye. Thank you. I had so much fun. It was so nice to have you all. Please do share pictures. I'm super excited to see what you guys have made and how have you decorated it. Personally, I'm not very good with all this, so I hope you guys did a better job. Okay, bye-bye. Hope to see you all soon. Bye. I had super fun. Bye, guys.